Hello, I'm Rashmi Kotharkar. Today I'm going to explain about the operators in Java programming. So we see which are the operators available in the Java programming. The Java provides many types of type of operator which can use according to the needs. It means that they classified based on the functionality, and they provides some types like arithmetic operators, then unary operators, assignment operators, relational operator, logical operators, and then the bitwise operator, shift operators, and instance operators, then the precedence operator, then then uh, we will see first of all the details of first of all we will see the details of this operator. Then so first is the arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators, they are classified used to perform the simple arithmetic operation on the primitive data type. For example, the multiplication, division, then multiplication, division, and then the mod, then addition, subtraction, etc. Then we will see about the unary operator. In a unary operator is use only one operand. It means they are used to increment and decrement or negative a value. Then the unary minus is used for the negative values. Then the unary plus. So it indicates the positive value. It means the number are positive without this, and it performs an automatic conversion to int when the type of its operand is byte. Types of operand is like a byte, char or short, etc. And this is called the unary numeric promotions. Then next we will see about the increment operators. In a increment operator, it is used to incrementing a value by 1. So there are two varieties of increment operator, post increment and pre increment. So the value is used for computing the result, and then increment, that is called as the post increment, and then the pre increment. In pre increment, the value incremented first, and then result is computed, that is the pre increment. Then we will see about the decrement operators. In a decrement operators, this operators is used for decrementing the value by 1. And there are two varieties of decrement operators, like post decrement and the pre decrement. In post decrement, the value is first used for computing the result and then decremented. Then second is the pre decrement. The value is decremented first and then result computed. So that is the pre decrement. Then next is the logical not operator. So this operator is used to inverting a boolean value. Then so This is the information about the operators in Java programming. Thank you.